Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a holly. So, I have my fishing line, and this fishing line is about, let's see how long it is. It's like 3 feet long. Actually, it's over 3 feet long, which is way too long. So, you probably only need about 2.5 or 3 feet, but like I said, this is over 3 feet. Okay, I am going to be using mini pony beads in red and mini pony beads in green. If you only have regular size pony beads, that will also work. And if you have the larger barrel red pony beads with the mini green pony beads, that will probably also work. So here we go. I'm going to start with my 3 reds, and I'm going to cross on that 3rd red bead, pull down. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, what I'm going to do, hold the left side tight. Okay, with my right string, I'm going to put a bead between each of these gaps. So I have a green bead right here. I'm going to string it through. So my string is coming out of here. It's going to now go in here in the neighbor bead. So now I have a green bead in between. And then I have another green bead that's going to go through this neighbor bead. And then for my last bead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my string and I'm going to cross it with the other string so that I have this, okay? In case you're wondering, like, hey, why didn't you just put 3 beads in a circle? Why did you do 3 beads and then put 3 beads in between? I did that so that I have a tighter red triangle shape right here instead of like a circle. So I want to keep this tight right there. Okay, so from here, let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of hold on to this left string. I'm going to work with the right string. Okay, I'm going to add, see, I'm going to add 7 beads because I want to make a diamond, and I know that 8 beads make a diamond. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have 7 beads on this string, and then I'm going to go here. So I'm going to make a loop. Okay, so I made a loop like this, and now if I kind of push the beads and pop them into the right place, you see how it becomes, I mean, I guess that's a square. If I look at it this way, it's more of a diamond shape. But that's what I want. Okay? And it's going to get loose because I have no tension on it. So with this string right here, I'm going to go through this red bead and this green bead. So red bead and green bead. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add 7 beads. going to go into this green bead. I'm going to make a circle, a loop. Okay, so I wanted to do that. I wanted to make a circle. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go through the red bead and the green bead. Red bead, green bead. Okay, I'm going to add 7 beads. Okay, I'm going to make a loop. So there's my loop. So I have like 3 circles right now. My string is coming out of this bead and this bead. So I'm going to take my string and I'm going to go through this bead right here so that the strings meet here, and then I'm going to tie it. So I'm going to go through this red bead and then I'm going to tie this with a single knot, and then a double knot, ooh, this string is really long. I have way too much string. Okay, so what I want to do right now is I want to pop these beads into place. So I want to make these little square shapes, little diamond shapes. Okay. Pop, pop, pop. Sometimes they make these little sounds, so that's why I say popping them. All right, so that is perfect, and now it's a little loose again, just because as I shift the beads around, the knot comes loose. So I'm gonna tighten it again. I'm not going to use the nail polish right now because I am going to go around one more time. Okay, so with this string right here, my right string, I'm going to go through the red bead, the red bead, the green bead, the green bead, the green bead, the green bead. So I'm going to go through 4 of these beads. Okay. I guess this is the red bead. Red bead, green bead, green bead, green bead. And I'm going to go through this green bead right here. Notice I popped the bead out just to make it easier for me to put the string in. That's okay, I'm going to pop it back. Okay, now I'm going to add 5 beads. Whoops, where's the end? Okay, here we go. I'm going to add 5 beads. Okay, and that stick. Okay, so I'm going to go through this bead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the red bead. And then I'm going to keep going, the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, let's see, here we go. That is going to give me a little little point there. Isn't that super cute? I had to look up what a holly looks like on the internet. I was like, what do the leaves look like? And this is the best I think I could come up with. Okay, so I'm going to go through the red bead, green bead, green bead, green bead, green bead. 4 green beads. So I went through 1 green bead, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I do notice my beads are getting looser and looser because I'm pulling it. Just pull this tight in both directions a little bit. Okay. Oops, what is happening here? There we go. Okay, keep that tight. Okay, 5 beads. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 green beads, red bead. 1, 2, 3, 4 green beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 green beads. And that is going to give me my, like the tip of the leaf. You notice that this is deforming a little bit, so let's pop these beads. There we go. It's this diamond right here. So I highly recommend you pop these diamond beads first and then the tip. And I'm also noticing that this is coming loose quite often. So remember how I did the single knot and the double knot right here? I should have added another extra knot just to secure it because I'm finding that this is coming loose. Okay. Whoop. Going through the red bead. Okay. Red bead. And then 4 green beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's my 4 right there. Let's add 5 green beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Go through 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the same pattern. Let's see, everything's kind of wonky right here. So let's pop these beads to the correct shape. There we go. Once I get that diamond, everything else should follow. Okay, so right now my 2 strings are meeting right here. Okay, so I'm going to tie it off. Okay, single knot, double knot, and the single knot, double knot is not that strong. When it comes to fishing line, it will come apart. So at the end, I'll just add an extra knot. Okay, let's take a look. Super cute. I love it. Okay. I'm going to add some, you know it, clear nail polish. I mean, look at all this extra string I have. This is like way too much extra string. But fishing line is cheap, so I would rather have extra than have to cut and tie and then do that again. Okay. So that's good. Just cut a little bit off. And then I'm going to string through some beads here. Okay. All right. Looks like they're coming out of different places. That's fine with me. Cut and cut. All right. We're done. Okay, so here we have 2 hollies, and this one is made with all mini pony beads, but this one on the right is made with green mini pony beads and regular 9mm barrel red pony beads. So you could just compare what it looks like. Personally, I mean, I like both. I think I like this one a little bit more. But they both look really cute. Okay, thanks for watching.